Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to my first official real-time video, and today is going to be my apartment tour here in Hsinchu, Taiwan. My room is all the way up there, so let's get up there. Scooters rule in Taiwan. So you can see these are all the scooters to people that live in the building here. And here we go. I am on floor 7. Most buildings here in Taiwan, there will be a doorman. So there's a doorman usually every day down at the bottom floor. He's usually there from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So it's great for security and you kind of get to know them. They don't really speak any English, but I'm learning a little Chinese. So every day I always say like ni hao or wanang. My apartment has 2 doors. This is the first door. First, we're gonna go here. Okay. And check out this hallway, guys. This is so interesting. So I'll give you a little tour. Here's a water dispenser, so there's free water. There are 4 apartments here. 1, 2. Oh look, there's Catwoman, Batman, Britain, Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, and my apartment is here. So all I have to do is go ahead and put in the code. Okay. And here is my apartment, guys. I know there's a glare because of the light coming through the window, but I want to go ahead and give you a view of what my apartment looks like coming through the door. So you can see the windows over there, and then I have a laundry area over there. This is what my apartment looks like from the other side. Hey guys, so this is my bathroom here. Here are my slippers. This is a typical bathroom here in Taiwan and in Asia. So you can see over here is my towel. I just took a shower, so it's a little wet. There's the mirror, the sink, the toilet. For hot water, this is the heater. To turn on the hot water, I flip up this switch, the red light's on, and that means the hot water is flowing. Here is the shower. One thing that you might notice is I have a sponge here. Why do I have a sponge here? Oop, that I just dropped. The reason why I have a sponge here is because I will show you guys a little more in detail in a minute, but here in Taiwan, it is not typical to have a kitchen in your apartment. I've got my hot plate, I've got my cooker thing, I've got my refrigerator, but no sink. So I wash all of my dishes here in the sink. And let me tell you guys, when I first came here, I was like, really? Really? That's where I'm gonna wash my dishes? And I was not into it at first. However, I do it every day and it's actually no problem. I'll wash my dishes here and it takes literally like 5-7 minutes and I'm done. So it's actually not that big of a deal. But if you are here in Taiwan, you may have an apartment that is like this, where there is no sink and you will be using your bathroom to wash your dishes, but it's really not that big of a deal once you get used to it. So let's run to the other side. Ready? Over here, look at this beautiful flat screen TV. It came with the apartment. It's great. I have this fan, super ugly. I used to have another fan that I tripped over and broke, and I bought this one that's super cheap. And I mean, the black matches the TV, but it's too big. It just looks ugly to me. Here is the air conditioner. It's brand new, works great. Here is my teaching area, guys. So one of the companies I work for is Palfish. There's their logo. Got my ABCs, some water animals because I love the water. Here is my desk, and can you believe it? I have 2 phones. I have a Vivo and I have a Galaxy S7. One broke, I decided to fix it, so now I have 2. It's always good to have a backup phone, especially being a traveler and solo traveler. Here are some of my little puppets and guys for teaching. I use dinosaurs as a reward system for students. I've got my Squirtle, I've got my Mickey Mouse. Here is my computer. This is when I teach for Palfish, which is over the phone. I'll put the phone here and sit right here and teach right from the chair. Check it out, guys. Here is my official scuba diving license I got in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. Very proud of this. Okay. Oh, you can check out, I always have photos of some of my family. This is me in Hawaii at graduation. That is my mother, my grandfather, and my step-grandmother. That was a really great time. One thing that I really like about this room is I really love the wallpaper here. This blue, white, kind of yellowish tan color, and this green, lime green couch, which came with the apartment. I love it. It goes great with the wall, so whoever did the furniture in this room has a really good eye. Also have a nice little green carpet here, a table. Yes, I am a huge Predator fan. My uncle got me this Predator. It was built out of metal scraps. Really cool. I'm also a big Aliens fan. I'm trying this aloe vera cream from Korea. It's been okay, but not as good as the Korean masks. Here's my Wi-Fi right here. Here are my bags. I just kind of have thrown them in the corner here. And here is my kitchen area. In Taiwan, from what I've learned, it's not typical to have a kitchen in your apartment. So all I have is a refrigerator. I have a hot plate, and then I also have this hot pot rice cooker thing, which is actually pretty typical for a lot of Taiwanese families. You can see what it looks like inside. What I do is I cook chicken and vegetables and rice. So here is my refrigerator. Got my chicken there, some vegetables. That's my lunch for today. Got my eggs, butter, soy milk. I usually cook all of my lunches. Got my bananas, gotta start eating them. Pure salt, here's some seasoning. Almonds, of course. Here is my pan, and here is my hot plate. So this is where I cook my eggs and soups and things like this. So let me go ahead and plug it in here. Okay, hit the power, and then see how it's making this notification? It's because I don't have the pan. In order to use this, you have to have a certain pan that has like a magnet. Put it there. All right, we're good to go. Now I'm gonna hit plus. Oh, I'm sorry, hit power. 3, 2, 1. 1 is the lowest, 2 is medium heat, and then 3 is the hottest. On the other side of my little kitchen area is my closet. A pretty good sized closet. I have 2 big doors, and then I have 2 drawers down at the bottom. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the inside. I know it's not a lot of clothes because I've been traveling and I'm planning to go out traveling again. I don't need a lot. Look at all those ties. I honestly really don't wear all those ties. There's a mirror here, which is nice. Yeah, pretty good amount of space here. Down here are drawers. Oh, here are my underwear and socks and tank tops. Down here are my shorts and jeans, pants. And then making a right over here, here is the door again, and then right over here is the bathroom again. This is the air conditioner. It's almost like a hotel. Whenever you stay at a hotel, usually they'll have like a little pouch like this near the door for the air conditioner, which is pretty cool. Now I'm gonna show you guys something really cool which makes this apartment very unique. You might think that this apartment looks a bit small. For me, it's not that small. My apartment in Korea on Jeju, if you can believe it, was half the size of this apartment. And I lived there for 2 years. So this is great. If I turn off the lights here, this is the natural light. There's so much light that comes through here. It's so great, especially on a sunny day. Okay, are you guys ready? So here's my bed. Check this out. Check this out. Whoa. Da-da-da. There is this whole storage area under the bed. I bought this little mattress just in case I had any guests. There's some tissue. There's the bag I went traveling with. I do need to do an update review of how that went and how it worked for me. But yeah, this is so cool. I almost could fit in here. The reason I don't have this bag under the bed is because it's a little too big. It's too high, so this part won't close all the way, but for everything else, you can fit a lot in here. So as small as the apartment may be, this creates a lot more storage, so you will be totally okay. Here is my view. So you can see the city of Hsinchu here. I'm on the 7th floor. Today's a semi-sunny day, pretty nice day. If I open the window, and I can even open the screen, give you a big view of what's around me. The building keeps going up. And then down there is where we started. I love the view, especially on a day like today, when it's sunny. Oh, it's so nice to just be in the apartment and have all this natural light come in. Over here is where my laundry is. I'm gonna show you guys something I really love about the apartment. This is the door out to the laundry. Right now it is shut, but if I pull this lever here, voila, and it is open at the top and the bottom. I love this design. It gets a lot of fresh air in, and I usually leave it open all day. Even whenever I'm at work and I'm not home, I will leave this open. Going out here, here is my washer. Really good size washer. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's been a great size. I've had no problems with it. Here's the power. This is where you can decide how much water. It's all in Chinese, but I actually figured it out pretty quickly, just playing around with it. Out here is another window into the streets in the city of Hsinchu, Taiwan. Above here, you will see there is a rack. This is where I dry my clothes. If you live in Asia, this is very typical. There's not usually a dryer in the apartment, just like this one, so that's where I dry my clothes. Down here is my broom and dustpan. Got my laundry right here. Oh, there's a light up here as well. On, off. So if I need to use laundry at night, I can turn on the light there. I love it. So this is my apartment, guys. What do you think? What do you think of the apartment? I absolutely love this apartment. And one thing I bet you're all thinking about is, Patrick, how much does this apartment cost? How much does your apartment cost? I think I actually have paid a little bit too much for it. I think just being new and my first time to Taiwan, some of my Taiwanese friends had told me it should be a little bit lower. I pay 9,000 Taiwanese dollars a month. That comes out to about $300 a month, which is still great and really cheap. The only thing that I pay for is electricity, which usually comes out between $12 to $20 a month, really cheap. I don't use a lot of electricity anyway, but electricity here in Taiwan seems to be pretty cheap. And yeah, it's a pretty good deal. I mean, $300 a month is not bad. The location is really good. I'm very close to the train station. There are restaurants. My gym is 5 minutes away. My work is 5 minutes away. There's hair salons everywhere. Restaurants again everywhere. Everything that I need is downstairs. So I think the reason why it's a bit expensive, or up to 9,000, is because of the location. But let me know what you guys think of the apartment. What do you like? What didn't you like? Would you stay here? I'm gonna be here for 2 more months before I leave and start traveling again. Thanks again for watching, guys, and remember to live every moment to the max. I'll see you guys next time.